beginning of a great journey for Canon into Tier 2 towns.
So again, we are the first company to bring our showroom to your hometown. I do believe our success of this year very much depends upon this project.
Statistically speaking, Canon was today selling less than 50% in the top 6 cities of the country. So it was time to do the rethinking, go back to the drawing board and actually look at expanding the horizons further up. So what was done was the high growth 38 cities were identified in the Tier 2 towns, and the idea was to expand the markets to the next level. Of course, BTL brings in a lot of advantages in terms of return of investment, measurability of the entire exercise, and of course means lesser expense going out of the company's kitty. So we went the BTL route, and the idea was to kind of get down Canon products which are technologically superior to everybody's home.
There's some really first ones to this project. The most important thing is that this project is CIE will travel about 18,000 kilometers in a span of 9 to 10 months, and the distance from Delhi to New York is about 11,800. So it almost is going halfway across the world, on road. So that's like a very big thing.
Canon is an international brand, so we had to maintain the same grandeur and the same appeal, but also adapt it so that it's more receptive by the landscape of India and the masses of India. That was a big challenge, but we struck a right note, and that reflected in the growing demand, with which we also had to evolve our spaces inside.
About 7 trucks moving, GPS controlled, moving all across the length and the breadth of the country was a mammoth exercise in itself. And setups being done less than 48 hours consistently, city by city, was a record-breaking achievement in itself.
कैनन आपके लिए जो प्रोडक्ट्स लाया है वो हम आपको दे रहे हैं कुछ स्पेशल डिस्काउंटेड रेट पे, और ये हमारा दावा है कि ये रेट्स पूरे अहमदाबाद में आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेंगे.
The objective of Canon Image Express is to recreate the Canon Image Lounge, which can cater to B-class towns. We are generating 6,000 to 7,000 footfall at venue in each and every city.
The second big thing about this project is that it's a self-sustaining project in itself. So whatever it is that is being invested by the client into the project, they are reaping the actual sales of it back.
We are selling around 25 lakhs of products in each and every city.
Plus they are getting PR mileage out of it, visibility and a long-term brand retention effect. So in all, if we were to calculate, the returns to the client are much, much higher.
Canon Image Express probably is the biggest ever project that I've handled in my career. Once it happened, there were so many people working, so many man-hours, so many resurrections and iterations, and strategically, theoretically, pragmatically, in terms of sales, in terms of numbers, in terms of people concerned, in terms of total kilometers traveled, I think this is probably the biggest ever activation that has happened in the world.